Okay, and we're back. So today, got a very busy day. We're changing the supply lines. We've broken a few walls. Okay, Andrew.
Hello.
What you doing?
How are you?
Hi, Spa.
Hi, sir.
Okay, Andrew, what you doing?
No, yeah, I'm looking for the supplier to the house. So I want to change the old supplier and put the new one.
Okay, why are you doing that?
The old one is rusted.
Rusted.
Yes,
So is it time for a new one?
Yeah, it's time for the new one.
Okay, show me where you're going to put it into the house.
So still here, I'm looking for the old one. So the new one will come from here. We'll dig here. And then we'll put it up here and into the wall to the house.
Okay, you're doing two supplies.
Two suppliers, yeah. The other one for the other side and the other one for the other side.
Okay, so one for the left-hand side of the house,
Yes,
and for the flat, and then the one for the
right side.
for the right side.
Yes, yes.
Okay, cool. Have fun.
Thank you.
Hey, Amos,
Yes, boss.
gonna get off your phone and show us what you're doing.
Yeah, no problem.
What you doing, Amos?
I'm gonna change the switch. I'm gonna move the switch from the for now I just want to go.
You're going into the roof.
Yes, into the roof.
Can you show us what you're doing before you get into the roof?
Yeah.
Just wait before you hammer. Okay, so what are you doing?
I'm gonna change this plug for here because of
Is that a plug?
the switch. You can't put it here because of I think the single wall. So
Okay.
I'm gonna change it, take it here from this wall. So
And you're gonna put a new box in here?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Very.
So you're gonna pull wires into here,
Yes, but
and then you're gonna go through the wall and put a new box.
yes, we're gonna do that.
So you're gonna have two switches on this side, one
And
on
one
that side.
switch into the side.
Okay, 100%. Charles, what else you've done today?
This the sliding it was stuck because of this
Aluminium.
aluminium.
Okay. Charles, the bathroom.
We just this side our leaking it was
I fixed the leak.
No, we did not fix it. We just removed the old ceiling because of it was have too much damage.
Okay, and then you're gonna obviously change these to the new 220 volts, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, how many lights are you putting in? Have you decided?
Yes, I do decide it.
How many?
4 of
Four.
them. Yes.
I think 4 or 5, but let's start to 4 and let's have a look, right?
We're just going to see if we gonna move this trapdoor or what. Then if we're going to move the trapdoor, that means you can have a 5 lights.
Oh. We can actually put the trap door in that toilet area over there, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I think that's not a bad idea. This is where the new supply is coming to. So the old supply is just outside here. We're going to pull the new supply in from the exterior toilet. Are we doing a light in here? Have you decided?
No, we did not decide it, but we need it.
We need it, right?
Yes.
Okay, you got 4 switches. Okay, so we're going to use one for there, one for here.
Yes.
Are we going to do one for outside lights?
Yes, the back one.
For back ones, okay. Tell me, how many LEDs are you putting into this room?
Going to be 4 plus this one is going to be 5.
4 plus that one.
Yes.
Okay, so are you going to put the LEDs for me on the switch here?
Yes.
Because we have enough switches.
Yes.
Okay, so then at least you got a switch on that side of the room and a switch on this side of the room. Okay, and where are you putting it? One above each cupboard?
Yes, the lights, yes. One for each cupboard. And other one at the side of the bed, yeah. Because of the bed, I think it's going to be like this.
Okay, 100. And then obviously you're going to just neaten up this light for us, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Is that it for today? Is there anything else you want to do today?
No, after this one, I'm gonna fix that leak. The one that I did show.
Have you fixed the leak in this bathroom yet?
Yes, I did change the broken tile, then put the full one.
Okay.
Then sort it.
Are you going to tell them to like and subscribe for us? Okay, we missed one. Nati was hiding away, and he's still hiding. Look there. He's still hiding. Okay. Amos. Oh. Okay, just step back now. Okay, tell us, what are you doing, Nati?
First of all, just shifting up here so that you can get straight when you put on the plaster since we removed the frame. So
You're gonna put a new ceiling in first.
yes, we do put a new ceiling here to clear up that space, and also now I'm just chopping up here so that we can be able to build the wall here without any restriction. And after I can restrict once we plaster it.
Okay, go in that side and show me what we're doing with the bathroom. Amos, just watch you underneath.
That's not sure here.
You're not sure what we're doing in the bathroom?
I was not clear for this time. But I mean, what I think, going to close here, obviously, then fix the shower. Yeah, build it here so that the water doesn't come out, and also fix the room, the ceiling, put a new ceiling in. And downwards we already connected the two new ones. We're just going to put the ceiling, close the space. Then I think we're gonna put like a zinc here, a base with a tap somewhere here.
So that's a good idea, considering you haven't seen the plans yet.
Yes.
That was quite good.
Thanks, boss.
So what you're about to see is one of those things that don't do this at home. Leave this to the professionals. We've been doing this for a few years, so we've kind of got it down to a T. We understand what needs to happen. Obviously, yet again, don't do this at home. So the tree was going over the supply line. You can see the supply line dug into the ground, and we needed to tap into it right where the tap was, but all the roots was over the supply line. Which probably one of the reasons it was going so good is because there was a leak or something there. But needless to say, the tree had to come out. It was in the way. So we dug a trench around it, pressure washed the roots, and then we chopped off as much of the roots. How this process works is once you got the tree to the point that it's slightly moving, but not enough, then you can do this trick. But you need to be comfortable with what you're doing. Hook it up, and then what you do is you go slightly backwards. See, there's some slack in the tree. And then you go forward, you got quite a good acceleration, and you put your foot back on the clutch and you stop accelerating. And then the bucky will just come to a natural stop. And then you'll see the tree actually pulling the bucky back. Now, where you put the rope is quite important. The higher you put it, the more force you're going to exert on the base. It's the same as a crowbar or a steel tube on the socket or something. Needless to say, tree's down. At this point, we should have stopped. The guys wanted one more. I've lost my shoes at this point because of the mud, because in getting in there. And the guys are asking for one more. Needless to say, they should have chopped. We could have, we would have, but less is more. So this last one we did, number 4, that one actually felt like it hurt. We should have not done it. But hey, how do you learn? You make mistakes, and you do them again, and next time you make better mistakes. See the guys all moving out the way. Rounds on the camera today, and then you're going to see, even though we stopped, there was no give because the things are already on the floor. So while the tree's up, it gives a bit of play to the ropes, but when it's on the floor, it's a different story. You can see Bianca and Rian cleaning the pool. Bianca's pushing all the rubbish and nonsense off the floor, and Rian's catching all the debris. Now you're going to see Bianca adding a chlorine and flocculant. Now, if you ever worked with flocculant, it puts all the stuff on the bottom, and then you just get to suck it up the next day. It's the next day. We're back. We lost a little bit of track there. We published an ad for the flat to be rented out, and voila, 24 hours, place is rented. So Nati's busy painting, getting it done. We got a hard push to get as much done as we can. We got 2 days before the tenant wants to move in. Tomorrow is Sunday, so Sunday is not going to work for us. But let me show you guys where we're at. There's a lot of things we'll do later. It's not needed right now, but it will be nice to have done later. So here we go. Nati,
Hi, boss.
anything you want to say? Words of wisdom today?
Nah, but literally.
Not really.
No. Maybe next time.
You guys heard it, eh? Next time. Next time. And Nati, I'll hold you to that. So we've started with the first coat on the walls. We didn't do the ceiling as yet because we would like to screw the ceilings, and the carpenter is only available on Monday. So then this room is an absolute mess. This is currently our tool shed. So all of the stuff needs to be carried out tomorrow, and then we're going to do this room, the bedroom. Pretty much done, other than the leak in the corner. We've yet to test it, so that's why I've not painted the roof yet, and also not attended to that, so Amos will attend to that when he's back. Other than that, I'll go through here. Downlights still need to be connected up, they're still off. Let's go through here. Good morning. Andrew, what you up to?
No, yeah, I want to.
Why don't you take the camera and show them?
Yeah, I'm still putting the new line. So yeah, I want to join it from here. So yeah, I'm taking out this pipe I want to put the straight one so that I can put a T-piece so that I can put the new line.
The what supplies that, cold or the hot?
It's a cold one.
Okay. So that you can get the junction of the stuff outside?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, not much happening. We've been trying to get the plumbing out and plumbing sorted, and we guys take you outside for that. So the second geyser decided to go yesterday, so Andrew's been working on that. Yeah, and then you tap in, the line split. It's a little bit shallow for my liking, but you're going to pack bricks, then topsoil, and then we've got two valves. So the one supplies the left hand side of the property, and the one supplies the back of the property. And then that goes through all the way here. Spark still needs to mix up this. And then there you can see it's being tied into the municipal side. Other than that, I think we're done for today. The next video should be the finishing part of Unit I. Thank you, like and subscribe, and yet again, comment down below what you guys want to see. We'll do the financials of the flats when we do it. So costings, how much it costs, how long it took, how much it should have cost if you outsourced it, stuff like that. But have a great day.